Dr. Manmohan Singh's last rites were held today with President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There was Bhutanese Prime Minister Tshering Tobgay, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, among others, who attended the ceremony. Dr. Singh's body was first taken to the Congress headquarters in the national capital. The centre has declared a 7-day state mourning throughout the country as a mark of respect to Dr. Singh. During this period, the national flag will be flown at half-mast across India. The Congress has also declared that all official programs of the party, including the Foundation Day celebration, will be cancelled for the next 7 days and will resume on the 3rd of January. In the meanwhile, a row has erupted between the Congress and the centre over the allotment of space for Dr. Singh's memorial on Friday. The Congress condemned the allocation of the Nigambodh Ghat for the final rituals instead of a location where a memorial could be built in his honour. Let's listen in to some of the reactions that have come in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी की नेहरू गांधी वाड्रा परिवार को ये जवाब देना चाहिए कि डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह का जब वो देश के प्रधानमंत्री थे तो एनएसी के तहत क्यों कांग्रेस पार्टी की सोनिया गांधी जी ने अपमान किया था। कांग्रेस पार्टी को ये जवाब देना चाहिए कि सरदार पटेल के स्टैचू का उसने क्यों विरोध किया था। गांधी वाड्रा परिवार ये डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकता कि कांग्रेस पार्टी से कोई भी दूसरे व्यक्ति को या किसी भी दूसरे नेता को उतना सर्वोच्च सम्मान मिले जितना कि नेहरू गांधी वाड्रा परिवार खुद को देना चाहता है।
और उनके जैसे व्यक्तित्व जिन्होंने देश के आर्थिक विकास की एक बड़ी नींव रखी, उनको यथोचित सम्मान देने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी और श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व की एनडीए सरकार भी पूर्णतः प्रतिबद्ध है। और इसी के दृष्टिगत कल कैबिनेट ने अपनी बैठक में यह तय किया कि मनमोहन सिंह जी की स्मृति में एक स्मारक और समाधि स्थल बनाया जाएगा और इसमें जो भी प्रक्रियागत समय होगा कांग्रेस पार्टी को यह कन्वे किया गया। परंतु बहुत दुख की बात है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जिसने जीवन काल में डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी को कभी सम्मान नहीं दिया, हमें याद रखना चाहिए कि अंतिम चरण में 2014 में उन्होंने एक राष्ट्रीय स्मृति बनाने का प्रयास किया था, क्योंकि जब उन्हें लगा था कि सरकार जाने वाली है। जिन्होंने अपने जीवन काल में कभी डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को सम्मान नहीं दिया, आज उनकी मृत्यु के बाद भी वह उनके सम्मान के ऊपर सियासत करते नजर आ रहे हैं। यह बहुत दुखद है।
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि भारत के एक महान अर्थशास्त्री जिनकी पूरी दुनिया में कद्र है, भारत के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी के 10 वर्ष इस देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए लगाए और सिख समाज से आने वाले भारत के एकमात्र प्रधानमंत्री हैं डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी। तो आप राजघाट परिसर में डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी के अंतिम संस्कार की जगह देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सोच है। ये अपने आप को संस्कारी पार्टी कहते हैं।
देखिए, हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारे शहर में, हमारी राजधानी में काफ़ी मेमोरियल्स है, तो इसलिए एक और करने में ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए। मेरे ख्याल में सरकार तो ऐसे कुछ तय करना चाहिए जल्दी कि मनमोहन सिंह जी की याद रखने के लिए कुछ अच्छा, एक अच्छी समाधि बना।
All right, I'm currently joined by my colleague Shreya Ghosh there. Shreya, just break it down for us. What is the entire controversy and what are the reactions that have come in so far as this entire controversy is concerned?
Well, Osama, at the very outset, the Congress had demanded that the cremation of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh should take place, where the memorial can also be built in remembrance of him. But the central government decided that the funeral procession and the final rites will take place, the cremation will take place at the Nigambodh Ghat, which is a public crematory ground. Yesterday itself, the cabinet ministers held a meeting and decided that a separate space will be allocated in the next couple of days. Once the logistics are figured out, they will be allocating a separate space for the memorial of Dr. Manmohan Singh. And the BJP spokesperson also highlighted that this particular decision of the central government has been conveyed to the Congress leadership as well. It was Mallikarjun Kharge who highlighted and wrote to the central government that there should be it should be the same spot spot where the cremation and the memorial of Dr. Manmohan Singh should take place at the same spot, but and also criticized the central government and said that it was a deliberate insult to hold the funeral of Dr. Manmohan Singh at Nigambodh Ghat, because traditionally we have seen former prime ministers their last rites being held at Rajghat. And remember, in the year 2013, under the leadership of Manmohan Singh, the UPA government said that there should be a common memorial ground for all leaders and future prime ministers in the Rashtriya Smriti Sthal near Rajghat. This was decided back in 2013 by the UPA government under Dr. Manmohan Singh. They said that there shouldn't be any individual memorial grounds, rather a common memorial ground for all future prime ministers and leaders. But today, as we stand right outside the Nigambodh Ghat, where we saw the last rites of Dr. Manmohan Singh taking place here, all the top leaders and foreign dignitaries coming and paying homage to him. This is where the final cremation took place of Dr. Manmohan Singh, our 14th Indian Prime Minister, a man who will be remembered for his magnanimous stature, his global stature, for being the architect of India's modern economy, and he will be remembered, and that is why the BJP also showed immense respect towards Dr. Manmohan Singh and said that he will be remembered as the one who sowed the seed, who built the foundation of India's economy, and the BJP as a party has shown respect to Dr. Manmohan Singh all throughout, but it is the Congress who is doing dirty politics over the death of Manmohan Singh. But now we know that the central government has in fact said that soon the land acquisition and the trust will be formed and a separate space will be earmarked for the memorial of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Back to you.